G'day, we're just having a look at a couple of our skid steer loaders from the Kennards range. You might find that they're called by different names, perhaps you heard them called a Toyota or a Bobcat even, but they're basically skid steer loaders. You'd use a skid steer loader as opposed to a mini loader if you've got a much larger job. With the weight of the machines, they have more torque and power if you want to dig an area that's quite large or quite a deep excavation, or if you have a really large amount of soil, sand, bark chips that you want to traverse through a site, you might find these are much more suitable to that job. They have a rollover protection system for operator safety, and you also have the seated position for the operator, which is an advantage on your longer or bigger jobs. With the mini skid steer loader, you can generally transport these to your own site on a trailer, provided you have an acceptable towing vehicle. If you talk to the staff at your Kennards branch, they'll sort that out for you. If you're using the bigger machine, of course, you'd need to contract a tilt tray or arrange alternative transport. We're going to go through the basic operating controls on the skid steer loader. The machines can sometimes be different, but it's all basically similar. You've got your control handles here, which move your machine forward or back, turn left or turn right. Underneath your feet, you have some pedal controls. One will lift the arms up and down, moving the bucket up and down. The other will tilt the bucket down and up. You also have a control in the middle for the 4-in-1 bucket. If you push it one way, it'll open the bucket. You push it the other way, it'll close the bucket. You use that if you're spreading soil around the site, that sort of thing. Make sure that you talk to your staff at your Kennards branch about the safest way to use this machine. Make sure that your safety bar is always engaged and get your safety gear on. We're going to move to another spot now, get our safety gear on and put this one through its paces.
So just remember guys, when using the equipment, Kennards Hire recommends the use of safety products at all times. Be sure to use the personal protective clothing and equipment recommended for each product hired. For more information, contact your local Kennards Hire store.
Kennards makes your job easy.